conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, Govind Babu, Rohit, and Vishnu.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. 1 second, guys. Please give me 1 second. And okay, we done. We done HTML. We done HTML. On top of this, we done CSS. On top of this, we done JavaScript. Now we are trying to entering on top of these. There is a one more library called jQuery. jQuery. Okay, what is this jQuery? How this jQuery will work out? And later on I go through the React also. First of all, let's try to understand about the jQuery. Okay, jQuery. jQuery is the JavaScript library, sir. jQuery is the JavaScript library. Okay, what is jQuery? This is the jQuery. Skip here. jQuery is a fast, small, and feature-rich JavaScript library. It makes things like HTML document traversal and manipulation, event handling, animation, and Ajax simpler and easy to use API that works across a multitude of browsers with a combination of versatility, extensibility, and jQuery has changed the way of millions of people writing the JavaScript. Now, no need to write JavaScript. You can write jQuery. It's a very short way. For example, in JavaScript, we are writing a bigger lines, bigger code. That code is not required when you use jQuery. It is a very smaller and thinner library. Okay, let me tell you about the jQuery. I will create the program for the jQuery. Visual Studio Code. Open it. Open folder. Okay, I'll prepare a new folder here. Folder jQuery. Select the folder. Now I'm having only jQuery. Inside this, I will write down the notes. About jQuery. What is the definition for the jQuery? I will take the definition from the official website. I will take the official website definition only. Okay. I will keep the definition here. Okay. Now I will try to give the jQuery add for HTML. Sir, there are two versions of jQuery, sir. One is the development version. One is the production version. Development version is a bigger file. Production version is minified file. Minified. Minified file. This is bigger file. Size. Size big. Size big, sir. At the same time, having spaces, and new lines. This one, minified file, small in size, small, having no spaces, and new lines. Very important. One is the minified version, one is the normal version. Developer version, for example, developer version may be a 200 KB. Production version, it may be something like 60 kb. Size wise, one is the development version, one is the production version. Two versions are there. Okay, there are two more ways. One is the local, one is the CDN. CDN is something like a cloud version, and local is download and keep in your app. Download and keep in your app. That is a local file. Second one is CDN. Okay. Here the recommendation. What is the recommendation here? Recommendation. I will show all the things, but recommendation is production. Recommendation is production. And here the recommendation is CDN. Okay. Finally, how you can use jQuery? You have to use minified version. You have to use the minified version and CDN file. This is the important thing. Finally, you have to use the minified version, and finally you have to use the CDN version, CDN file. Don't keep the local. Don't keep the local file. You have to use the global version.
The CDN full form, sir?
Content delivery network. CDN is something like content delivery network. CDN means content delivery network. Caps lock. Content delivery network. That is the meaning of CDN. Okay, let's go jQuery. Can I go with the download version first? After I will go with the CDN. First of all, I go with the download version. Download jQuery. Okay, when you click on download jQuery, there are multiple links which are going to be available here. Go to the Google CDN or Microsoft CDN. I go to the Microsoft CDN. Okay, there are two versions of jQuery is available. One is the normal version, one is the minified version. Let me go to the normal version first. Okay, this is having spaces and new lines. Easy to read. I can able to easily I can able to read this JavaScript functions which are going to be available. Okay, let me copy all these things. Let me create a new file and save it as jQuery. Okay, just jQuery.js. It is a JS file, sir. Remember, it is a JS file. Remember, I saved it in my local folder. jQuery.js. Save. Next, I want to save the minified version also. Let me go to the minified version now. jQuery. Download jQuery. Go to the Microsoft CDN or Google CDN, whatever you want. And now I want to go for the minified version. Minified version you can able to read or you can able to understand.
No.
No spaces, no new lines. Okay, copy this. So recommendation is minified version. Okay, let me add it. Save it as jQuery underscore min nothing but minified version .js. Sir, paste it. How many lines, sir? How many lines?
Only one line, sir.
Only one line. That's it. Okay, that is okay. This is readable. And understandable. This is not readable, not understandable. Minified version. No spaces, no new lines. Okay, let me go. Okay, first I will write the program with the local files. Then I will write the program with the CDN files. I will write the program with the local files first. Local files. In local also I have two things. One is the development version, one is the production version. Even CDN also we have two files. One is the development version, one is the production version. Okay, let me go with the local first. Already downloaded. Download and keep in your app. I already downloaded two things, sir. What I downloaded? What I saved? One is a jQuery.js, one is a library, one is a jQuery min.js. Two things. Local. First of all, I will work out about the locals. Then I will go to the CDNs. Create the new program. Save it as first jQuery. First jQuery and local. This is the local and development version. .html. Am I clear? First, I need a first. What is the program name? jQuery local development version .html. Okay, save it. First of all, I want to create the HTML. Okay, what is this? Local development version. Right. Access your jQuery first. Access your jQuery, sir. Without accessing jQuery, I cannot able to do anything. So script src. What is the file I want to access here?
jQuery.
That's it. That's it. Okay, I have the H1, sir. Okay, welcome to Mohansh. Welcome to Mohansh. Now write down the script. I want to access this H1. I want to access this H1 into the script. How to access this H1 into the script? In the JavaScript. I'm asking in the JavaScript.
Document.element.
Okay.
Document.write.
No. Document dot get elements by
Get
tag
elements.
name. Get elements by tag name. Name of the tag is H1 of 0. This is the way you have to access. Okay. Dot inner HTML. For example, I want to give something like a good morning. Okay. When I say good morning, so you are welcome to Mohan. She is going to be changing to the good morning. Am I right? I'm not using jQuery, sir. I'm just writing JavaScript. Open with the live server. Open with the live server. Now you can see good morning. Already changed it. Welcome to Mohan. Change it to good morning. Welcome to Mohan. She is changing to good morning. Am I clear? But this is JavaScript. This is JavaScript. Okay, I don't want to use the JavaScript right now. I will write down jQuery. The same concept. Dollar. You have to use the dollar. Dollar is the symbol of jQuery. Dollar is the symbol of jQuery, sir. Remember. Dollar is the symbol of jQuery. Okay. Dollar H1 dot HTML. Good morning. HTML. Okay. Good morning. Sir, which is easy? JavaScript is easy or jQuery is easy?
jQuery.
JavaScript, we are writing a very bigger line. Na? In JavaScript, we are writing a very bigger line. Yes, document dot get elements by tag name h1 inner HTML. Very bigger line we are writing. Here there is a function called HTML function. You keep the text whatever you want inside it. Over. Now jQuery is working or not? We have to check it out. Yes, working. Super. jQuery is working, sir. jQuery is working. Okay. Okay, sir. If it is not giving some indexes and all, whenever you are working in real time, don't work with the tag names. You work with the class names. in the way I have to keep the multiple H1s here. Okay, first one have the class called 1, second one have the class called 2, third one have the class called 3. Sir, I am giving the classes, I am keeping the classes here. Okay, here whenever I have the class, I want to change the third element, sir. I don't want to change the first or second elements. I want to change the third element. Third element means how to access the third class.
H3.
Dot 3. Sir, like CSS. In CSS, you use a dot na to access the element. To access the class in CSS, a dot symbol is needed. Same way in the jQuery. jQuery follows the CSS. Very simple, straightforward. Very simple, straightforward. Now, who is changing, sir? First element or second element?
Third element.
Third element is changing. Why? Why?
Because we are before the class 3.
we are operating here. We are operating here. We are writing the script.
Sir, could we use ID instead of class?
Yeah, you can use ID. You can use ID. What you want? What you want? ID. ID is equal to 1. ID is equal to 2. ID is equal to 3. How you can access ID in CSS?
Hash.
Superb. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Came na?
Yes.
Go ahead. Okay. Right. So now we are working on what? Now we are working on what? There is a local development version. Local development version. This file size is very big, sir. Okay, I will show. Okay, let me go to the folder. Where is our folder? Web. Okay, web. Web. Where is the web folder? One second. These fonts actually I cannot able to see. My eyes is not working. Maybe it's lacking. Sir, find out the folder, sir. Oh, sir. Yeah. This one, huh? Okay. Go to the jQuery. Okay. Let me check the files. jQuery. The first one is the development version, na? First one is the development version. What is the size of the file, sir? Can you see the size of the file?
239.
No. 289, 289 KB. What is the size of the min version?
75 or something.
85. Super.
Super.
The size is very less.
How much
Size
size?
is matter. Size is matter. 88, 88, 85. Sorry, 85. 85. 85 KB. Previous one? 289 KB. Okay. This is very bigger. This is very bigger. Development version is very bigger. Minified version is very smaller. Minified version is very smaller. Now I will work out with the minified version. Can I work with the minified version?
So,
jQuery. What is the program name? I have to keep jQuery. J small letter, sir. Q capital letter. jQuery local. Again local. And this is the production version and minified version. Minified production, whatever it may be. Minified version. Dot HTML. Okay. That is the program name. Whatever I want to use. Again, I am working with local, sir. I'm not using CDNs till now so far. Okay, change your file. Instead of jQuery, what is SRC? I have the one more SRC now. I have one more SRC, minified version, min.js.
yes, sir.
Min.js. Now I access min file. Now I access min file. Previously I am accessing what? Development version. Now I am accessing what? Minified version. Production version. Okay. So program is same. There is no change. Execute it. Working. Working. Local is working. Okay, I need to change the title, I think so. Local development, local minified. Title changed. Local development is working, local minified is working. Both are working now. Any change I'm
Yes,
doing?
sir.
Right. Now
Uh,
I go through.
what-
Now I go through CDN, sir. Recommended is CDN basically. Recommended is CDN. Recommended is minified version and CDN. Don't use local files. But I'm showing how local is working. I'm showing
Minified how much KB, sir? No?
88 KB, 86 KB.
It did.
If you keep local, but why we need to keep local? We access from the cloud.
Yeah.
Anyway, all web applications are working with internet only, na?
Yes.
Why I need to waste my app size? I need to when I keep the jQuery in my local, app size is very big. You don't make app size big. You have to make app size very less. Recommended is minified version and CDN version. Okay, let me go. Okay, now I need to take the program, take new, save it as, write a program, jQuery, mm, not local, CDN development version dot html. Okay, keep the program safe. Now this script I need to change. SRC I need to change. This is CDN, sir. Okay, locals. Okay, locals keep off. Now we are working with CDN, sir. Okay, back. Go back. Okay, this is the file. You need to source copy. You need to source copy. What is the source? SRC. Copy the SRC. Keep it. Over. Over, sir.
Oh,
Over, sir.
nice.
I don't want to save in my local. I don't want to save in my local. Just copy the SRC. Keep in the script SRC. Over. So program will work, sir. Program will work 200%. Working or not? Okay. I need to change the name of the file. Where is this? No, no. This is the CDN
CDN.
develop CDN development version. Okay. See the tab now. CDN development version is working. Locals are working. Okay, that is okay. But CDN development is working or not? Superb. Working. Next, I go through CDN minified version. That is the basically recommended in the real time. That is the basically recommended in the real time. What is the recommended? This is the recommended. What I am writing here, CDN minified. This is the recommended version in the real time. This is only the recommended version in the real time. Okay, minified version. Let me take the minified version. Copy the second SRC. That's it. Copy the second SRC. Uh, Keep it. Dot min.js. Dot min.js. Minified version. Okay, let me execute it. I did not save that. What is the name of the program? jQuery CDN minified. CDN min dot html. This is the file name. Save it. Execute it. Working or not working? Sir,
Working.
I am showing four ways. Local file development version, local file minified version, CDN development version, CDN minified version.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? But
Yes.
this is recommended, sir. The last one, whatever I am writing, the last one, this is the recommended. CDN minified. This is the recommended version. Am I clear? Okay, this is the inner HTML changing. Now I want to work with the CSS. Let me
The
keep the
CDN
program.
how much KB it is taking, sir? CDN production version.
No KB, no save. You're not saving, sir. You're
Okay.
accessing just. You're
Red
accessing
link
just.
on the file. Okay.
You're not saving anywhere locally. You're not saving. You're just accessing.
Yeah, yeah. Just accessing this.
You're just accessing.
Yes.
You're not saving.
So
That
what
is the.
does
That is the.
that link
That,
will be having, sir?
tell me, sir.
I mean, in the source we are putting that link now, sir.
Hmm.
So is this kind of library that we are accessing in the body or something?
No, no, no. You can access in the head part. Whenever you are accessing some library, keep in the head part. That is some kind of declaration.
Yeah, I mean, here this is a library, sir, or something here we have.
This is library. jQuery is a library.
Okay.
jQuery library, sir.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What?
Sorry.
jQuery is a fast, small, feature-rich JavaScript library. It is a library.
Okay. Okay. Instead
What
of
is
keeping it local and putting in the script, we are just calling from the URL, that library.
Microsoft? We are accessing from Microsoft servers.
Okay.
Microsoft is providing, Google is providing, Ajax is providing different production files are there. You can access anything.
So
All things are free.
when you are working locally, which doesn't have any internet connection, then we will be using that file list.
Exactly. Exactly. Whenever you don't have internet connection, you can use it locally.
Okay.
But
Or
if
else
you
we will be putting this link.
mostly every web application have the internet, no?
Okay.
But for example, you are practicing, sir. You don't have the network in the room.
Hmm.
Then what you can do? First of all, copy the file. You can work on this. You can practice it.
Or there will be some websites which will be accessed only in the intranet, not in the internet. Then they will be using local files. I mean, if you are working in an organization
Yes, yes,
and
exactly, exactly. Yeah, yeah.
some websites will be developed only when you get into the LAN of their
Right,
office
right.
premises.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, okay.
Right. Next, I want to work with the CSS. This is HTML. Okay, we are changing the HTML. That is fine. But I want to work with the CSS. Mhm. Copy this. Take new. Paste it. Save it as CSS. CSS change. CSS change. jQuery only. We are working on jQuery only, but I want to work with the CSS. For the third element, I want to change the CSS also. Not only the HTML, I want to change the CSS also. Dollar. Okay, first of all, write down the JavaScript. How to change the CSS for the third element? Write down the JavaScript. Document dot. Sir, I will compare JavaScript with the jQuery always. Why?
Okay,
Because
sir.
you need to understand. You know already JavaScript, right? That is the very reason I will write the JavaScript syntax also, and I'll write the jQuery also. Both. Document dot get elements by
Okay.
tag name of the tag. This time, sorry, this is ID. Na? This time it is ID. We are using ID. Get element by ID. Okay, what is the ID name? 3. ID name 3. Dot style dot color is equal to red. I want to change that into the red color. Sir, JavaScript and jQuery both will work, sir. That is the benefit. Why? Because jQuery developed on top of the JavaScript only. jQuery developed on top of the JavaScript only. JavaScript obviously work with the browser. Okay, color changed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the same thing I will do in the jQuery. I don't want to write the JavaScript. I don't want to write the JavaScript, sir. I will write the jQuery, sir. How to write jQuery for this color change? Dollar hash 3. There is no style property. Here the property called CSS. Here the property called CSS. Color blue. Go with the blue. I don't want red. Color blue. Change to blue. Got it. Got it. Working or not working?
Working.
Working. It's done. It's done. Okay. This is the way you can work with the jQuery, sir. Simple. Okay. No need to write this much code. No need to write this much code. You can directly access the element and change the value in real time. Number of people, instead of JavaScript, people will write jQuery. Only on jQuery also jobs are available. Only on jQuery also jobs are available. Search in the Naukri, search in the Google. You will be finding a number of jobs on jQuery itself. I will search in the LinkedIn, JavaScript jQuery. Only on JavaScript jQuery also people are working. Okay, let me go to the jobs here, jobs portal. Okay, so JavaScript. JavaScript is mandatory for jQuery. If you don't know JavaScript, you can't understand jQuery. You already aware of JavaScript. That is the reason you can able to understand jQuery. Otherwise, you cannot able to understand jQuery. Na? But instead of writing on JavaScript, we are writing jQuery now. Okay, so can you see n number of job openings? 3 days ago, 4 days ago, people are actually posting. Jobs are available, sir. People are saying that jobs are not there. Jobs are not there. Jobs are there. We don't know how to learn and how to apply. We don't know how to learn how to apply. Okay, Naukri. The same Naukri I will search for. Search for the jobs. Huge number of openings for the freshers. Huge number of openings for the freshers. On top of the JavaScript and jQuery. How many number of jobs are available, sir? On JavaScript and jQuery. Can you see the number? Imagine.
Seems like jQuery is only easy compared to Java.
First you need to know JavaScript. If you
Yeah.
don't know JavaScript, you can't understand jQuery. First of all, learn JavaScript. JavaScript is base. It is basic. It is like fundamental. Sir, if you don't know ABC, if you don't know alphabets in your schooling, you can't read the newspaper of the English. Huh?
Yeah.
You can't understand anything. The schooling is very important, sir. Who is your school teacher? Just pray them. Fundamentals are important. If you don't know fundamentals, you can't go for extremes. You can't go for jQuery, you can't go for React, you can't go for Angular, you can't go for blockchain, you can't go for the web application. Fundamentals are mandatory.
But I feel HTML is fundamental, sir, because the JavaScript kind here we are not working in the program, right? Directly we are just putting dollar and calling it as a hash 3 or a dot 3 like that. What is the need of JavaScript here, sir?
Where, sir? In the
In the
programmer.
program, what you have written,
Hmm. This
yes.
one.
Okay.
Uh,
Directly you can run like you don't need to go with the document or get elements by tag name. You are just
hmm.
replacing it everything by dollar only, right?
Hmm.
So, what is the need of understanding JavaScript also? Directly we can go to the jQuery, right?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. If you know this one, first JavaScript is fundamental, sir. What is the element? What is the document? What is the accessing process? What is the inner HTML? If you know the inner HTML, then only you can understand this HTML here. Sir, there I am writing inner HTML. Here I am writing HTML. Sir, after eating the biryani, I am giving a sweet, sir.
Hmm.
After eating the biryani, I am giving a sweet.
Okay.
Then what you feel like after biryani, a sweet is basically awesome.
Hmm.
First of all, you need to eat the biryani.
Hmm.
Or without eating the biryani, if I am giving the sweet to you,
Okay.
sir, give me two more sweets. Sir, give me five more sweets. You ask like,
Okay.
after eating the biryani, without eating the biryani, you take 10 sweets also, your hungry is not satisfied. Something like. But after eating the biryani, your stomach is full, then you take one sweet, that is awesome. This is also same like that. First, learn fundamentals properly. If I show this jQuery before JavaScript, sir, this is the only, okay, 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 okay. But after the
The whole be
JavaScript,
great. What you mean to
after
say?
after the JavaScript, I'm telling about the jQuery, sir. This is super, sir. Awesome, sir. What is your feeling? Your mind is feeling like, wow, this is very simple. Instead of writing JavaScript, I can write jQuery. But as a learner, you have to learn from beginning. You have to learn from HTML. You have to learn from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then jQuery, then Bootstrap, then React. I will give you fundamentals for all the things. Okay. So in jQuery also, two more classes I will take on jQuery. I will go through the events. I will go through the AJAX. I will go through the JSON handling. All the attribute manipulation. Each and every concept I will teach in jQuery. But jQuery will not take that much time for the like JavaScript. JavaScript we took a long time, but jQuery not take that much long time. It will complete very soon. You can easily understand now. But each and every time I will write the JavaScript code. Each and every time I will write the JavaScript code also. Here I am writing JavaScript code now. For
Yes.
comparison, for comparison, for
Yes, yes.
comparison, for comparison, each and every time I will write the JavaScript code also. Even I am writing the jQuery. But I keep in the comment, no problem. Later you can able to easily understand. Okay, this is the JavaScript. This is the jQuery. How much it is easy. We have a lot of options in jQuery. We have animations, sir. JavaScript not having animations, but jQuery have animations. jQuery have transitions. Superb library. I like it.
Sir, under
I
jQuery here, can
I
you add one line, sir? Like dollar dot
only
three dot.
only dollar, or instead of dollar you can use jQuery. If you don't want to use the dollar, you can write jQuery. Both are same. Both are same.
No,
Sir,
no,
which
no.
is
What I meant to say is, can you add one more line like as you kept commented by tag name? No, you can add that also, like for two, and make it color blue so that this will be.
yeah, okay. You're asking something. Okay. So instead of jQuery, you can use the dollar. Okay, that is fine. Okay, fine.
Dollar
Got it.
and go for two, sir. Dot two.
Yeah, I will do it. First, I will write one.
Hmm.
Then I will go for two. Then I go for three. Okay, that is blue. This is red. This is green.
No, no. Instead of hash, put dot, sir.
Okay. Hmm.
Because you also commented get elements by tag name. No,
Okay,
for
fine.
that I am just.
Working. No
Yes.
issues. You can go ahead. You can go ahead. However you want,
Hmm.
you can go ahead. Okay. Right. So we have a few more classes, but jQuery is interesting, sir. Interesting, huh?
Yes.
jQuery is
Interesting, sir.
interesting.
Yes, yes.
Super. Yeah, we have a lot of other classes also for jQuery, and interesting classes. jQuery is interesting, and few more classes, 3 or 4 classes. 3 classes enough. 3 or 4 classes, no problem. I will teach completely jQuery without missing the topic, without missing a single topic also. I will teach all the animations. I will teach all the transitions. I will teach all the events. I will teach all the AJAX, how to access the data from the internet, from the APIs. So that's what for today. Have a good day. Please like the videos, share the videos, subscribe the channel,
So once go to the live server, sir, once.
live server.
Yeah, for this one. So here for the HTML we are giving only three, right, sir? The code. Now we can go to code.
Hmm.
Now we are giving HTML hash 3 dot HTML good morning, right?
Hmm.
And on top of that, you're doing styling for CSS, CSS, CSS.
Hmm.
Means in that case, only for the welcome launch only it will change. Okay.
Mhm.
The
What do you want
H1,
to
H1 all are changed.
What do you want to do? For this also I will change. For one also I will change good morning. For two also I will change good morning.
But on above, for everything it got changed, now, sir. The live
Hmm.
server for everything it got changed, right? Not only three.
Color,
You
color,
can,
color, color changing. Here text also changed. Color changing,
But
text
welcome
changing.
welcome
Mohansh
to
only.
Mohansh is not coming. I'm saying. Okay, we are not
Well,
even calling that welcome to Mohansh here. Understood.
welcome to Mohansh is not available, sir. Already HTML is changing
Yeah,
and
understood,
CSS is
understood, sir. Yeah, understood. No, it is
understood.
not even calling that one in the JavaScript. That's what I was thinking.
We are calling on JavaScript. HTML is calling. HTML is calling
Yeah,
in
yeah.
JavaScript and changing it. We are doing
No,
some
I'm saying
operation.
in the jQuery, we are not even calling the welcome to Mohansh. I'm saying previously we got 2 welcome to Mohansh, and third one was like jQuery one, right, sir?
Previously, I have only the
Yeah.
single code, na? This one only.
Only single code. Yeah, yeah, understood.
Now I have these two also.
Yeah, understood.
Now I have these two also.
Yes,
Now
yes.
change everything. Good morning.
So
Sir,
if you go
here.
detailed, first it is calling HTML and it changes according to jQuery new statements, no sir?
Yes, yes.
So only third was called and we were editing only third one. So it applied only for third one and rest of
Yes,
the
exactly.
HTML lines was the same.
Same. We are not
Yeah.
doing the. We are not doing any operation for the these two
So it
guys.
is running.
Only
Yeah.
only we are doing operation on the third guy.
Sir,
Yeah.
1 and 2 you change it. Instead of good morning, you change to something else, sir. Good morning, so that it will be more clear for us.
Hmm. Good
Yeah.
evening, you
Good
want that.
evening, good afternoon, like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Now we can call, sir.
Okay, sir. Whatever
Okay.
you want, you can do, sir. Whatever you want, you can do, sir. This is some kind
Yeah.
of operation. This is some kind of injection. We are injecting this HTML. We are operating this HTML, sir. We are operating this HTML through the jQuery. Hmm? It's very interesting, basically. I like it. I like it.
Yeah, very interesting, sir. Yeah, nice.
Change CSS.
So JavaScript files are not getting uploaded, sir, in the drive. Can you please?
I will upload, sir, today. I will upload. I will
Okay.
upload.
So
Basically,
yesterday I was
network
trying to
issue.
connect.
There is a network issue. I will upload today. Definitely, I will upload today.
Okay, sir.
All emails given, na?
Yeah, yes.
I will save the
Still we
emails and
have yeah the shared
I will.
drive. If I see everything is there, CSS and HTML, but not JavaScript.
Okay, Rohit Pawan, you are not commenting on the videos, huh? Please comment it. Huh?
No, I'll do it, sir. Sure, definitely.
Please, everybody, please comment on the videos. Comment on the videos and share with your social media. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have WhatsApp, you have LinkedIn, you have Twitter. Sir, just to share this message, sir. This is very important. We are giving all the classes free,
Yeah.
and I'm
Yes, sir.
starting
I
that.
added a few people in
I'm,
Gen A WhatsApp group also, sir, directly. Well,
I'm starting Gen AI. I'm starting Gen AI
yeah.
on November 2 on my birthday date. Okay, so that is a birthday gift. And this batch actually the Dasara gift. This batch is actually Dasara gift. Diwali gift we started full stacks, and my birthday gift Gen AI. And one more day I will start React also, free of cost. No need to pay money. Just to share with your friends. Share with your friends and share with your social media. These groups.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, and we'll meet again tomorrow. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow, very much interesting jQuery. Please join more people on this batch. Thank you for understanding the session.
Thank you so much.
I hope everybody understand how the jQuery is working.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes,
Thank
very
you.
good. Have a good day. See you signing off. Bye.
Beautiful.